All right, just playing around near Green Creek. I was supposed to go to Saddlebag Lake today, hike along Saddlebag Lake, and camp over near, oh shoot, I can't remember the name of it. I can't remember the name of the lake, but it started with a W. Shoot, can't remember. I'll post it below. And then hike up to the Conus Lakes in the morning. But Tioga Pass was closed. They had a little snowstorm, which is actually nice. The mountains right now are they have a nice dusting of snow on them, which would make photographs look even better. So what I'm doing now is I'm just kind of walking around Green Creek campground, which is closed. I'm the only one here, and just checking out some of the cabins. Pretty nice. Tomorrow morning, new plan. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to get up early, maybe 3 in the morning, hike several hours up to Green Lake and East Lake. Get some sunrise photographs up there. Play around for a little bit, not too long. I'm going to hike back down, and then I'll start my hike over at near Bridgeport there, Twin Lakes, starting at Twin Lakes there, going up the creek. There again, I can't remember the name of that creek either. Up to Barney Lake, and I'll spend about 3 days playing around up there. I'll stay one night at Barney Lake, another night at Peeler Lake, another night at Crown Lake, and then hike back down, and then I'll probably go back to Tioga Pass area there, Highway 120, see if that's open. If it's open, I'll do the original plan that I was going to do today, and check out the Conus Lakes, and then I'll head home. But anyway, that's what's planned for this trip. I'll probably break these up in different little videos. So, okay, here I am at the trailhead. I'm the only one parked at the trailhead here. It's October 28th, so things are kind of closing down. Should be a storm coming in the coming weeks. That'll shut all this down. There's the trailhead. This is the trailhead parking here. I'll be sleeping in that little guy tonight. But yeah, get up early in the morning. Time for a hot meal right now, though. Boy, this is nice and cozy. Zero is good. So carbon monoxide. It is cold. Just visited West Lake. Now I'm headed up to East Lake. Pretty much a breaking trail here. Wow, I cannot feel my fingers. And my water has turned to ice. Okay, made it to East Lake, and it is absolutely beautiful. Wow, this dusting of snow really gives the mountains some character. Wow. Take a peek at this. Just beautiful. I think this was the prettiest of the lakes. So I'm gonna get some pictures here, and then I'll see what I'll do next. Whew, chilly out. Some light snow right now too. Wow, just beautiful. East Lake. Well, it is snowing pretty heavy. I think I'm gonna have to roll out of here, unfortunately. Trying to send a message to my wife here. I'm not sure if it's going through or not with all the clouds. All right. Definitely coming down pretty good. And not knowing how much snow, I don't want to get stuck out here, so I'm out of here. All right, so this is the way I came. The snow is going to cover my tracks if I don't get out of here. And then I would have to just rely on my GPS, which I don't like to do in case something happens. But yeah, beautiful. And my tracks are completely gone. Still snowing pretty good. It's too bad I don't know how long it would last. It could just be a little flurry and clear, but you never know. One thing that's been tried and proven now in the snow are these Gore-Tex Hokas that I got. Boy, they're nice. They've got the Gore-Tex lining, they have the Vibram soles, nice and grippy. And they also have a nice sole on them that's really thick. The thickest point there is at least, shoot, that might be 2 inches, which keeps my feet nice and warm. Feet are nice and warm right now, nice and toasty. Snow is letting up a little bit. Of course, I've gone down about 1,000 feet in elevation. Well, I couldn't see this earlier as I came up in the dark, but this is the valley that I came up. Forerunners down there somewhere. I might run real quick up to West Lake, which is up a little over a mile up that way. We'll see. It's still lightly snowing. Other than that, it's a beautiful day. All right, here's Green Lake. I was here early this morning on the other shore over there, but just a beautiful lake. Still lightly snowing. Just beautiful. Even got some trees out here. I usually go above tree line, but not today. Incredible. Still making my way up to West Lake. It's been snowing pretty steady. Whew, this is right at about 10,000 feet. So, it's pretty much go by trees here. Pretty exposed. Ugh. Almost there. This is the smaller lake up here by West Lake, completely covered in snow. West Lake is just behind the rise here. Okay, well, it's about what I expected. Completely socked in here. Anyway, there's West Lake behind me. Whew, now I gotta get out of here. The last part of this, the trail, I guess, is completely covered in snow because I was just making my way, following the GPS. All right, time to go back down.